In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit homepage on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know how to open the Lightning App Builder, clone a default homepage template, name your new page, and activate it so users can see it. I'll slow down at key moments and share a few tips so you feel confident making changes without disrupting your team. Start on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. You'll need permission to customize application pages, so make sure you have the right access. Look to the upper right corner for the gear icon. That's your quick settings menu. Click it to open the options, then choose the link that takes you into the full setup area. This opens the admin side of Salesforce where you manage configurations. Once you're in setup, go to the quick find box on the left and start typing the word Lightning. As you type, you'll see relevant options appear. Click Lightning App Builder. This is the tool Salesforce provides to design, arrange, and manage the pages your users see, including the home page. Inside Lightning App Builder, click New to create a new page. You'll be prompted to choose the type of page you want to build. Select Homepage. This tells Salesforce you're creating or customizing the main landing experience for users. Click Next to proceed. You'll now give your page a name. Type New Home. While this example name works, consider using a descriptive name in your own org, like Sales Home, Q2, or Service Home, Compact, so it's easy to manage later. After entering the name, click Next again. Next, you'll choose a page template. Click the option to choose a page template, then select Clone Salesforce Default Page. Cloning a default gives you a proven starting point with commonly used regions and components already arranged, which saves time and ensures a familiar experience for your users. When the list of default layouts appears, you'll see options such as Flow App Homepage and Homepage Default. You can preview either to understand the structure. Select the layout that best matches what you need. For this walkthrough, choose Homepage Default. It's a clean, versatile starting point that works well for most teams. When you're satisfied with the choice, click Done. You'll return to the builder with your chosen template applied. Here you could adjust the layout or fine-tune components if needed. For example, many admins like to highlight key performance metrics, recent records, or a task list near the top to keep users focused. Keep in mind that changes here affect usability, so it's wise to make adjustments thoughtfully and, if possible, review them with a small group of users before rolling out broadly. If you need to navigate back within the Builder interface, use the back control to return to the previous view. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving preserves your page, but it doesn't make it visible to anyone yet. To publish it for users, click Activate. Activation is where you decide who sees this home page and in what context. You can set it as the org default so everyone gets it, assign it as the default for a specific app, or target it to certain profiles within an app for a more tailored experience. This flexibility is powerful. For example, sales users might need pipeline components front and center, while service users might prioritize case queues and dashboards. Choose the assignment that fits your rollout plan, confirm your selections, and finish the activation. That's it. You started from the home page, opened the full setup, used Quick Find to reach Lightning App Builder, created a new home page, named it, cloned a Salesforce default layout, finalized the template, saved your work, and activated the page so users can benefit from it. If you ever need to iterate, come back to Lightning App Builder, open your page, make updates, save, and reactivate as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy building.